Hello, everyone, and welcome to Real Talk English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We're so happy you're here today.
And I'm Emily. We're so happy you're here today.
Sure, what's up?
How many times a day do you think you say hello?
Oh, wow. Probably 10, maybe 20. Every time I meet someone, it's always, hello.
Exactly. And that's why today's episode is called Stop Saying Hello, 10 Better Ways to Greet People in English.
Oh, I love that. Because while hello is nice, there are so many other ways to greet people that sound more natural, more friendly, or even more professional.
Yes, and if you want to sound confident and natural when you speak English, learning these greetings is a big step. Greetings are the first words people hear from you.
That's right. The way you greet someone can make a big impression.
If you say the right thing in the right situation, people will feel comfortable and connected with you.
And that's what we all want, right? To connect and sound natural in real conversations.
So in this episode, we'll teach you 10 better ways to greet people in English, both formal and informal.
Plus, we'll do a fun role play, share a real-life story, and help you choose the perfect greeting for every situation.
But before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.
That's right. Your support helps us keep creating great lessons for you every week.
Let's start simple. Instead of just, hello, try saying, hi there, or hey there.
Yes, it sounds friendly, casual, and warm. It's great for talking to friends or coworkers you know well.
For example, hey there, how's your morning going?
Or, hi there, good to see you again.
It's small, but it adds personality.
Exactly. Hi there is like smiling with your words.
This one is super common in real life. How's it going?
Right, it means the same as how are you, but it sounds much more natural and relaxed.
Let's give some examples. Hey, how's it going? Hi, how's it going today?
And you can answer with, good, thanks. Pretty good, how about you?
It's short, it's easy, and it's used all the time.
Okay, this one is really informal. Perfect for friends.
Yes, what's up means, what are you doing? Or, how are things?
You don't need to give a big answer, just say, not much. Just relaxing. Hey, what's up?
It's like saying hello, but in a very casual, friendly way.
And sometimes people even shorten it to SUP.
Right. But that's only with close friends. Don't say sup to your boss.
Now let's move to greetings for different times of day.
These are polite and can be used anywhere, school, office, or with people you just met.
Good morning is great until about noon. Good afternoon is from noon to about 6 p.m. Good evening is after 6 p.m.
For example, good morning, Mr. Lee. Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, how are you tonight?
These sound polite and professional. Perfect for business situations.
This one is great when you meet someone you already know.
Yes, not for first meetings. It's for someone you've met before.
For example, hey Sarah, nice to see you again. Paul, great to see you.
It makes the other person feel happy and welcome.
It shows that you're glad to meet them again.
This is one of my favorites. It's fun and friendly.
Yes. Long time no see means it's been a long time since we met.
For example, hey, long time no see, how have you been? Wow, it's been ages. Long time no see.
It's casual, so don't use it in very formal situations.
Right? But it's perfect for friends, old classmates, or coworkers you haven't seen in a while.
This one connects to the last one. When you say, long time no see, you can follow with, how have you been?
Exactly. It means, how are you since the last time we met?
Example, hey, how have you been? I've been great. How about you?
It sounds kind and shows real interest.
These are great alternatives to, how are you?
Yes, they mean the same thing, but they sound more natural in everyday speech.
Example, hey Paul, how are things? Pretty good, thanks. Work's been busy.
You can also say, how's everything going?
That's another friendly way to show you care.
These are very informal, and you'll hear them in movies or among young people.
Yes, yo is like saying hey with more energy.
Example, yo, what's up? Hey man, good to see you. Hey girl, you look great.
Use these only with close friends, not with teachers or coworkers.
Now for formal greetings when you meet someone for the first time.
These are polite, professional, and very useful.
Example,
Hello, my
name is Paul. It's nice to meet you. I'm Emily. Pleased to meet you.
You can also say, "It's a pleasure to meet you." That sounds even more formal.
Great for job interviews, meetings, or conferences.
Okay, Paul, I have a story about greetings.
Oh, I love your stories. Tell us.
So, a few years ago, I was traveling in New York. I went into a small coffee shop and said, "Hello, can I get a latte, please?"
Sounds normal so far.
The barista smiled and said, "Hey there, how's it going?" And I didn't know what to say. I just said, hello?
Laughs. Oh no.
Yes. I realized that in casual American English, people often use greetings like, "Hey there, how's it going?" or "What's up?" instead of just "hello."
Exactly. It's not just about the words. It's about the feeling. They want the interaction to feel friendly and natural.
Right. So I started to listen and copy what people said. The next time I went back and said, "Hey there, how's it going today?"
That's perfect.
And guess what? The barista smiled big and said, "Good. How about you?" I felt like a local after that.
That's such a great story. It shows how greetings can change how people see you.
Okay, let's do a little role play to practice these greetings.
Sure, I'll be the customer. You be the barista.
Great, let's go.
Hey there, how's it going?
Hi, it's going great, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. Can I get a cappuccino, please?
Of course. What size would you like?
Medium, please. Oh, by the way, I love this place. I haven't been here in months. Long time no see.
Oh, that's nice. Great to see you again.
Thanks. How have you been?
Busy but good. Here's your coffee.
Awesome, thanks. Have a good one.
You too. That's a great example of how greetings make a simple conversation sound natural.
Yes. Notice we didn't use hello or how are you, even once.
And yet, it felt completely friendly and polite. Okay, let's review the 10 better ways to greet people in English. And
Number 1, hi there or hey there. Friendly and casual.
number 2, how's it going? Relaxed and common.
Number 3, what's up or sup for close friends.
Number 4, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, polite and professional.
Number 5, nice to see you, great to see you when you meet someone again.
Number 6, long time no see. When you haven't seen someone in a while.
Number 7, how have you been? Friendly follow-up.
Number 8, how are things? How's everything? Natural alternatives to how are you?
Number 9, yo, slash, hey man, slash, hey girl. Very informal. For close friends only.
And number 10, it's nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Formal and polite for first meetings.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, write in the comments 3 new greetings you want to practice this week.
You can even write a short conversation using one of today's greetings.
Remember, the more you practice, the more natural you'll sound.
Thank you so much for learning with us today,
We're so proud of you. Keep speaking English every day.
and we'll see you next time on Real Talk English.